All right, so we got battery cables ran. This is day like number 3 or something at this point. We got battery cables ran. The shift cables ran. Actually, we're about to drill out the ground cable. But we have power. We have the 2 shift cables. We have the 1 wire that goes to the motor up here to the battery for the terminator thing. Got that ran, and here's our chase that we've been using. But yeah, a little update on that. We got the dash all kind of drilled out. We've got to go and get our dash pieces in the car, but we've got to get our dash pieces routed and cleaned up on the edges so it looks, you know, like a white guy did it. I probably shouldn't say that, but got to do that. And then I don't know, I think that's it. Otherwise, it's just plug and play. Oh, we also got to run our Nemo, or not our Nemo wire, our Lowrance wire, which is going to be a great time because this rigging tube has been, like you already know, fun. I just want to show you something. Look at this Jimmy. The old rigging tube with a freaking gutter spout on it. You know, that's a good one. But that's another thing we're going to have to figure out. Last thing we're going to have to run is that Lowrance wire right there, because we don't know what we're going to do with the rigging tube just yet, because obviously this rigging tube, the factory Suzuki rigging tube, is not going to fit all this crap in it. So with that being said, you got to figure out a way to make it clean, trying to give the guy most deck space as possible, but we also got to have enough to where when this motor turns, I can't even turn it, but when this motor turns, you know, we're going to have enough play. So captain's meeting tonight at like 7, so we're going to go to that. And yeah, I'll probably record a little bit of that, but probably won't be too much because we'll be talking away to the Suzuki guys and whoever else. So I don't know, I think that's about it. They're over there drilling the thing right now, the battery terminal. Might need to go help them. Looks like they don't know what they're doing. Hold on. Oh!
I knew it was gonna happen sooner or later. Might be okay.
Oh geez, this is what we got.
Boom, 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 boom.
Where the doers get more done. Just uno. Uno.
Just my IQ. 1.
Six-pack of beer and a nice football here to look at your buddy. We got a winner here. 8011. 8011. Yeah.
All right, look at that. All right.
8011.
They gave me both rows of my tickets.
No.
Thank you, Brent, for Masters here. We got you to Repower.
The man.
Check out your Suzuki.
No shot.
You got it. I think that 8088.
Got him. What do you say, Chris?
Is that across the fire, sir?
I don't know how many giveaways this is. It's like number like 99 or
All right,
something.
our next number here.
50-inch TV.
Who's in? 805. We got one more number. Who's still in? 9. 8059.
I have 80.
8059 TV. Winner, chicken dinner, baby. All right, thanks, Mike. All right,
What a
guys.
guy. What happened?
Buddy knocked over my butt connectors.
Your what?
My butt connectors. Fuck, dude. I knocked over these bolts.
Alright, well, we're trying to get this to fit. It's been a hell of a day. Jeez. Oh, jeez. I paid for that. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. All right, turn this motor. Oh, my God. You going? Go back. Go back. Yeah, keep going. I mean, minuscule.
Where's that?
Just barely. Turn it in. Wait, keep. Oh, go back. Go back. It's just right here. Right where you missed. It's that little hump. Oh, God. Turn it. Slow. Keep going. Oh! Go back. Yep.
No.
Yeah. Right in here. Ah! It's hot! Ah!
How much more?
Ah!
How much more?
Just right in here, just... No, get, like, you feel this lip? Feel that lip. Come on, dude. Go. There's roaches, everything in here.
You had the door wide open the whole time?
Give me a water.
Dude, I'm itching like you never seen.
Oh my God, is that it, dude? No, is there 2 more left? That's it? You drink. What the? Oh my God, dude, help me out. Grab my cup real quick.
Where's your cup?
In my hand? Oh, my keys are on the boat.
No, they're not. They're sleeping here.
1. What is life, dude? Imagine somebody drives by right now. Dude, on the flashlights.
I think I might want to lay off the boats or run away.
Huh?
I think I might want to lay off the boats.
Alright, so update. All the wiring's ran, everything's kind of basically plugged in. We figured out our rigging tube. This disaster and a half. I don't know where we left off, but used those. Ended up having to get a different adapter instead of the rubber thing. Where's that rubber thing at? I just seen it. I don't know. Anyways, use a different adapter, and yeah. So we just got the rigging tube hooked up. We actually turned the motor over last night. All the wirings ran. I got to figure out the battery switch, because with the battery switch off, I'm still getting power to the key somehow, and also our gauge isn't working. So we got to figure that out. But other than that, just this Lowrance wire needs to be ran, which is different Lowrance wire than the one that's through the, the rigging tube. I think that's it. Buddies are eating Chick-fil-A.
He's just sponsor us.
Yeah, no kidding. I don't know. I think that's about it. I mean, everything else is ran and done. Holy frig! You don't have a dash yet.
How about menu?
It says if you hold the two power button or the two arrows, it resets it. Nothing. I'm gonna turn it off and turn it back on real quick.
That Suzuki gauge isn't turning on.
Nothing.
Across the street and put that bitch in the water.
Get that.
Like my asshole fucking real father said, work smart, son, not hard.
You know what? I might actually need that. Yep, so I'm moving it like a cunt here at a time.
Ooh, glass money.
No.
Yep. Oh god, and it was on my hand. Yep, perfect. So in your face, but
All over it, money shot.
so right on your face. Oh yeah, right under your eyeball, just waiting to fall in.
Boys! Look at them! Oh my god, Christopher! Hold on! Hold on! We got a boat behind us.
I don't know. I might have had a wet fart, dude.
No!
I don't know.
Oh my lord. Look at them all. Look at that tiki boat. Oh, lit! That dude, the sandbars moved out so far, it's not even funny. Oh my lord.
Tomorrow, dude.
That's what you got going on. Like, bro, what are you doing? You got Nimrods. We're there first. Nimrods come in. What are you doing? Holy frig, boys. Would you look at it? Yeah, dude, thank God.